Do you want to start selling digital products for free in 2024? If you've ever dreamed of starting your own online business, but thought it was just too expensive, too complicated, or just plain out of reach, then this video is going to be a game changer for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can start a digital product business in 2024 with almost zero upfront costs. That's right, no need for Etsy, no need for Shopify, and no need for expensive tools. Just you, your ideas, and some free resources. So if you're ready to start making money online without breaking the bank, let's get into it. By the way, if you're new here, hey, I'm Jo, and I help creators with freelancing, passive income, and tech. If you're thinking about selling digital products but feel really overwhelmed by all the tools, the technical details, and uncertainty of where to actually start, I get it, because I've been there too. It can be really overwhelming. Back when I was freelancing as a graphic and web designer, I knew that selling digital products was where I really wanted to go. But just like you, I was hesitant to dive in because of all the expenses that I might incur and the fear of wasting money and my time on tools that just might not work. So I searched for something that was simple, affordable, and effective, and I know that's exactly what you're looking for too. After trying out platforms like Etsy and Shopify with little success, I discovered a game-changing system, and that's called Systeme.io. It's a tool that lets you create, launch, and sell digital products all in one place. And the best part? You can get started for free. But it's not just about finding the right platform. It's about making the most of what you have. I've spent hours experimenting, researching, and tweaking my process to finally find out what works. And now I'm going to share that exact method with you so you can bypass the trial and error and jump straight into what works. Before we dive into the details, I just want to make sure that you're set up for success. That's why I've put together a free Systeme.io digital product funnel template that you can download right now. It's the same template that I used to kickstart my business, and it's going to save you so much time. The link is in the description below, so grab it now. All right, let's break this down into 4 easy steps. Research, create, launch, and promote. Research. This is where it all begins. You need to find a niche that not only interests you, but also has the potential to make money. By focusing on things like search volumes, competition levels, and trends, you can make sure that your idea is solid and that it's something that people are actually interested and need. It's really important not to skip this step. Even if you find research boring or really tedious or complicated, you do need to spend time learning what the statistics mean. Create. Once you've found your niche, it's time to create your product. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, a set of templates, or anything else digital. Launch. Now that your product is ready, it's time to launch it. This is where my ultimate tool comes in. Here is where you will set up your sales funnel, which is basically the process that takes clients from potential customer, like discovering your products, to then actually making a purchase. Promotion. The final step is getting your product in front of people. And guess what? You don't have to spend any money on ads if you don't want to. You can totally do this step for free. Remember, you can grab that free digital product funnel template that I've created for you in the description below. And trust me when I say having this template will make it so much easier for you learning the process. And plus, it's free. Let's dive deeper into each of the phases that I explained and bring it all together. The research phase. Now, the reason why the research phase is so important is because you're going to be creating a whole product around it. You're going to be using a tool like WordStream to check the search volume of keywords related to your interest or your passion. Now, when you are using WordStream, you want to go to the free keyword tool section and start putting in words that are related to your topic or your niche. You might need to play around with the words that you use to get a good result or a combination of different words, but basically what you're trying to find out is what people are actually searching for. To keep it really simple, you want a search volume that is about over 20K. The search volume column is how many people are typing these exact words into Google per month. And you also want the competition to be low. Let me show you an example of a good and a not so good search term.
So here I am over with WordStream, and you can come to the free tools and then go to free keyword tool and go find your keywords. So I am going to do that example, and I'm going to use the fitness industry just because that's a really easy one to show you what's good and what's bad. And I'm going to go fitness. So this is a very broad term. It's not very specific, so it'll be very interesting to see what actually comes up. Now, I've done fitness just to see what's come up, and it's actually gone and done some keywords for me. Now, you can see how broad these are. So this is the search volume here, and this is the competition. So I just searched fitness because I was thinking maybe that would come up with some, more dedicated sort of terms, but These ones here, you can see here, treadmill, that's not a good search term, but it's actually given me everything. I thought it would come out quite broad, but it's actually given me some specific terms. And there are a lot of people searching for certain things. So if I was going to pick something really specific, probably like ab workouts is quite a good one because it's got a lot of searches per month and the competition is really low. But obviously, this has to do with something in your niche, like I'm not in the fitness niche, so I wouldn't really know exactly what search terms to go for with fitness, but I'm assuming that you would want to be as specific as possible. So maybe if I was doing like ab workouts, or if I was doing maybe something in the fitness, I might be something more specific like gut health, like maybe I'm like in that kind of industry. This might be a little bit more specific. But you can see like all those lists of keywords that were just there before, how specific you can get. So I thought gut health would be like a really good one because that's kind of trending at the moment, but the competition is quite high and the search term is really good. So you can see that you can probably combine a couple of different ones as well, just to get the best kind of keywords. And that'll help you sort of narrow down your niche and exactly what you need to call your digital product as well, because people are using these specific terms. They are literally going like this. They're going into Google and they are going gut bloating. That is literally what this keyword search tool is helping you do. And you can see that there are all of these products and everything like that coming up like that. So that is how specifically that tool works.
The creation phase. Next, you'll be creating your digital product. Whether you're making an ebook, a course, or some other type of digital product, Canva is a really great place to start. You can use a free account and search the templates to find one that suits you. But I'm going to show you something that's an example of a digital product that I came up with the other day that I actually made in Google Docs, just to show you how simple it is to actually make a digital product. And this digital product actually helps me with my YouTube creation, because sometimes digital products don't need to be long or complicated or anything like that. They just need to be really, really useful. So let me show you the spreadsheet that I came up with for managing my YouTube content.
Okay, so this is the Google Sheet that I came up with, and it is so simple. I just write my ideas down here. I write what type of video that it is, and I've got it all like in drop down, so I feel like I'm a bit fancy. I've got different categories that I started with for my content, so I usually talk about these types of things. And I've also got my status. So if it's a script in progress, if it's published, if it's not complete, scheduled to film, ready to edit, all that kind of stuff, and the month that I want to post it in, and any notes that I want to write. Now, the best thing about this, honestly, I swear to God, is not only is all of that information in there, but I have also connected my scripts or my Google Docs or any information that I want to via this file. So you can actually do that by going into your Google Sheet and going at, and then typing the name of the Google Sheet that you have. So that will actually come up and select. You can see all of these that I've written in here. So that's how you can connect your Google Docs to your Google Excel sheets, I guess. So it just makes it really easy, because whenever I write these, I usually write them like in a few days. And then when I come back to filming, I usually try to do everything in a few days. So there's quite a bit of time though between those sort of filming times and scripting times. So that's why I can just come in here and go, oh, what am I doing today? And I go, oh yeah, cool, I'm doing that. And then I can click on this and I can go to my script, which is really cool. Now, the other thing that I also do is I sort of have the tabs down here, my YouTube ideas, and then I have complete. So when I'm like, yay, I've finished my YouTube, I've scheduled it, I actually copy and paste the idea into here so that I can remember which ideas I've already done and what I've already completed. And also it's just like a nice little woohoo, I've done it. So that is one digital product that is really helpful for me. And that is just like a Google Sheets doc. It's really simple. It's just a way of organizing something.
The launch phase. Now comes the fun part, launching your product. You can sign up for a System.io account for free. And let me show you the digital product funnel so you can understand the concept of it, because it's probably slightly different than what you're used to with platforms like Etsy or any other shopping kind of websites. So here's where you can sign up for the template. And when you sign up, this is what it looks like. It is literally so simple. You're going to be able to put your digital product imagery up there. I've written content here to help you write information about your digital product. And here is the order form that you will be able to use. So people will be able to see this page or drive traffic to this page here. And then once they've purchased, You get a nice little thank you page, and you can put your digital product here, or you can deliver it via automatic email campaign. And System.io is the tool that will help you do this all, but it's a one-click install template, so you can grab that. At the end of this video, I'm also going to be linking specific detailed instructions on how you actually put the funnel together step by step. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we get into the next 2 steps, there are only 2 things that I couldn't get for free, and that is a custom domain and an email address. So you will need to pay for those, but you can get them fairly cheap. So a custom domain goes for about $30 a year, I think, and I think I pay about $6 a month for my Gmail. The promotion phase. Finally, let's talk about the promotion phase. Let's go through some different ways to promote on social media for free. You can create a YouTube video just like this one and put links in the description. You can create all sorts of different attraction content on Instagram, Pinterest, basically anywhere somebody wants to see your content and then stalk you so bad that they'll go to your Instagram bio link. With TikTok, things like reviews, short tutorial videos that are entertaining all do really quite well. And again, the idea is to get people to your link in your bio. You can also create pins on Pinterest that perhaps lead directly to your funnel or a blog post. It's really endless what you can create. And all of that just costs your time, not your dollars. Now that you know how to start selling your digital products for free in 2024, it's time to take action. Grab the free digital product funnel template from the description below, start doing your research, create your product, and use that template to start selling. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions in the comments below. I try to answer all of my comments and questions. And make sure to check out this video. It's going to help you set up that digital product funnel template.